Hey, welcome to another video. We're back in the student race.
Yeah, I have no idea what you're saying. You're mumbling.
I know I am.
Why?
I don't know. We're driving. I'm not gonna talk for a while. Enjoy the raid and the music. I'm gonna talk for a while. Okay? Just give me a headache looking for here and seeing that. What? Now, frozen. That's perfect. So, wow. So we're going. We're going. Okay. Oh. You see this? We were walking. And rain got all over the seat. I've told that ass this time. I'm talking to Little. Whoa!
Okay, hold on. Their water just splashed on me, honey. It's okay. I hope you got that on film.
I did.
Was it your face?
Yeah, no. Wow. I don't ready for that.
Obviously you weren't ready for that.
No, I was actually ready to scream.
You went, ah!
Bye-bye. Run. So, what's out? Are we in Kabashi?
I don't know. Stacy does like hibachi, right?
Okay, we're passing Walmart. Where are we even
We're not
going?
passing, we're going in Walmart. I think that's where she told me to go.
Ah!
Maybe I'm wrong.
Oh, I dropped it. I dropped the tablet. Oh, it's perfect. Now you can see perfect Taco Bell. Why is the rain soft? My neck hurts. I'm screaming.
From what?
I'm screaming. Wait, are we going to Walmart? Are we going to come